disclose some details to you about our next generation netbook platform for 2011. And let me show you an example here. I'm holding up a wafer of the Cedar Trail processor. This is built on Intel's 32 nanometer high-K metal gate technology, and it's the heart of Cedar Trail. It's our next generation netbook platform. Now the Cedar Trail platform will scale from the entry-level desktop to fanless netbooks. And the fanless SKU enables netbooks that are quieter, thinner, and lighter than our current netbooks. And we have the frequency and performance improvements on the CPU along with enhanced graphics and media capabilities that really deliver a compelling processor for innovative companion devices. Now Cedar Trail delivers full 1080p high-definition playback capability. It supports Blu-ray 2.0, and it has integrated HDMI so that you can have that full, rich video experience with these types of netbooks. And all of this gets delivered with a 50% lower thermal design point. And enhanced power management then translates into thinner devices and longer battery life as well. And I'll show you an example of a system up here. This is a netbook system that's based on the Cedar Trail processor. It's running Windows 7. The silicon is up and running and healthy. It's on track to be in OEM systems for 2011 holiday sales. So our Intel processors are also important from a developer's perspective in that they give developers the ability to have that port of choice. Windows 7 and next generation Windows technologies, the Chrome OS from Google, and as Renee showed you, open source MeeGo running on netbooks as well. Now, what's really exciting about these platforms are the features that we can now bring into these netbook experiences. And these come to life by having the silicon, the OS, and the application software all working together seamlessly. So I want to talk about a few of the features that we're going to be bringing into these systems. We'll have things like Intel wireless display that allow you to project what's on the screen of your netbook onto a larger system like the television in your home. Intel wireless music, which allows you to take a playlist on your netbook and to be able to stream it to almost any powered speakers in your home. So you can listen to that music while you're looking at those pictures from your last vacation. Always updated is a technology that keeps tweets and RSS feeds and email, all of those types of things updated on your netbook, even when it's in standby. So that when you open up the system and you want to do something, all of your information is up to date. The Intel App Up allows you to have applications from thousands of different developers. And then PC Sync. PC Sync is a great technology that allows you to seamlessly connect all the devices in your home so that they stay in sync automatically. And then my personal favorite is Fast Flash Standby. And this allows you to be able to come up and use the device instantly. It's really a device that's ready when you need it. And it's always great to talk about features and try to describe these things, but it's best to have somebody come out and show us. And so I'd like to invite Cameron on stage to show us a little bit about how these work. Hey Cameron, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Doug.
You bet.
Great. So you've been talking about features that you're going to get with the Cedar Trail platform. I actually wanted to come out and show everybody live 3 of the features that I think are actually my favorites. So the first one is I've taken pictures. I've been here for about 8 days. I've taken a lot of pictures. I wanted to show my family exactly how beautiful China is. So I've created a slideshow, and I'll go ahead and I'll kick that off. And we can go through, and I'm streaming this wirelessly to my 60-inch plasma at home. So as soon as I walk in my house, I can connect to my home network, and instead of sitting around a little screen on the netbook, everybody gets to see it on this beautiful TV.
Okay, great.
And this is Intel wireless display.
Okay, but this is kind of quiet. It'd be nice to have some music to go with.
Actually, you were talking about Intel wireless music, so we'll go ahead and we'll start that up. So I can actually add music onto this.
Okay.
So it enhances the user's experience, and so they get a different flavor of the country. This is actually one of the most popular songs here in China right now. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is you were talking about PC Sync. And you always want all your devices to be able to communicate, and it's not always that easy. And what this software does, it allows me to seamlessly connect all my devices in my house and sync all the content from my home PC. So as soon as I walk in my door with this technology, my PC will actually sense on the network that I've brought my netbook back, and it'll download everything that's brand new onto my home PC as well.
Great. So these devices can share pictures, music, those types of things without having to run around with a USB.
Absolutely. And so as you see, this is the interface right here, and I'll go ahead and I will I'll drag and drop all my pictures over there onto my desktop. And so this is what you're actually going to see as far as the application goes.
All working wirelessly on my home network.
And you can actually set it up with security, so I'd have to authenticate, or my friends would have to authenticate every time they came in, just to make sure that people getting on my network were the ones I wanted to get on my network.
Right. Okay.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
That's it.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, Doug.
Thanks.